Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about general safety awareness. So what is safety? Safety is the condition to be protected from and unlikely the cause of danger, risk or injury. Stay alert for every task you do. Safety is first over everything. Coming to the slide, this slide indicates good safety is equal to good business. Here the graph shows the number of incidents is inversely proportional to quality, productivity, organizational effectiveness, employee morale and cost effectiveness. I'll move to the next slide. Why safety? Because regulatory agencies, the rules have been there and we need to follow that. For the self and the families, public image, job security, health, productivity, quality and cost. I'll move to the next slide. Hazard and the risk. So what is hazard? A hazard is something that has the potential to harm you. And what is risk? Risk is the likelihood of the hazard causing harm. Moving to the next slide. Coming to the definitions, which is going to be very important for knowing the how we are safe and what are the things we are doing. So fatal injury. This is a work related injury that result in a loss of life. Reportable accident, lost time. This is a work related injury in a factory to any person is likely to prevent him from resuming the employment in the factory within 48 hours after the incident occurs. Non-reportable accident, non-lost time. This is a work-related injury to any person is permitted to return to the job within 48 hours from the accident occurs without work restrictions. First aid injury. A first aid incident refers to any injury that can be treated on the job site without causing lost work days. Near miss incidents. This is a work-related incident that did not result in any injury but could have resulted in an injury under different circumstances. Unsafe act. Performance of a task or other activities that is conducted in a manner that may threaten the health and or safety of workers. Unsafe condition. A condition in a workplace that is likely to cause property damage or injury. I'll move to the next slide. This is a hierarchy of consequence. So it indicates the leading indicators and the lagging indicators. So coming to the bottom of the pyramids, that is the gap in the thinking. Inadequate safety awareness, safety commitments, safety knowledge, safety motivation, safety competency and the safety training. If we are able to take care of these, we end the hazard and the risk identification, unsafe act and the unsafe conditions. If we are able to take care of these, we can eliminate all the above like near miss or first aid, medical treatment, lost injury and the fatality. The data which has been shown as an estimate of the statistics which is there in the past. Hazard control. How to control the hazards at the workplace? From the most effective to least effective, it has been displayed here. The most effective method is elimination. Physically remove the hazard. Then substitution, replace the hazard. Engineering control, isolate people from the hazard. Administrative control, change the way people work. And the least effective is PPE, protect the worker from personal protective equipments. And these are the various examples of the industries which has been shown under elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control and the PPE. Causes of injuries. In our experience, most processes and personal incidents, injuries and accidents are caused by unsafe act and behavior, not condition and the equipment. The statistics shows that only 4% of unsafe conditions have caused injuries, whereas 96% of the cause of injuries are unsafe act. Reactions of the people, position of the people, clothing and PPEs, tools and equipment, procedures and orderliness. I'll move to the next slide. Why behavior-based safety? So injuries are going up and we need to take action. It has been seen that 96% of injuries are a result of unsafe behavior. Measurements of incidents and injuries is reactive, but measurements of behavior is proactive. To achieve zero accidents, we need to change our thinking. I'll move to the next slide. Why unsafe behavior? So human behavior causes most of the accidents, but why? More focus on production over safety. Tendency to do shortcuts. Wrong safety focus. Lack of understanding and training. Trying to save time on the work and temporary comforts. So these are the key reasons for unsafe behavior. Communication is very important and we need to communicate our team regularly and periodically. How? Display signages, posters, daily toolbox talk, safety council meeting, safety committee meeting, town hall meeting, sharing of incidents and investigations. These are the few pictures which shows how the safety posters are being displayed in the office. So we have come to the end of the session. Thank you.